Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful Power BI trick, how to sync two slicers on the same page. If you've ever built a report with multiple slicers and wished they could update together, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make identical slicers work in harmony, giving your dashboards a much smoother, more interactive feel. Alright, let's dive right in. So imagine you're designing a report for your team. Maybe you've got sales data and you want users to be able to filter by product category from either the top or bottom of your page, wherever it's convenient. But if those slicers don't talk to each other, it can get confusing fast. We want them to sync. Here, how you can do it. First, take a look at your report. You should already have two slicers that are set up and look identical. Sometimes people create two slicers for layout flexibility. Maybe one fits in a sidebar and the other sits above a chart. The downside is by default, these slicers don't know about each other. If you select electronics in one, the other just sits there. That's what we're about to fix. Go up to the View tab in Power BI. You'll find this at the very top right of the interface. Go ahead and give that a click. The View section is like your behind-the-scenes control center, giving you access to features that help you fine-tune how your report works, not just how it looks. You might notice options here you haven't explored before. Today, we're focusing on syncing our slicers. Within the View menu, look for Sync Slicers. This button is often tucked in the corner, and it's easy to miss if you don't know what you're looking for. Click on Sync Slicers. What this does is open up a panel on the right-hand side which lists all your slicers across every page in your report. At first glance, this panel can seem a little intimidating, but don't worry, it's actually designed to make your life a lot easier. Now in the Sync Slicers panel, you'll see entries for each slicer on your page. Here, the key part, you need to give both slicers the exact same name. This tells Power BI that they're working together, not separately. So click on the name of the first slicer and type in a name that's clear and specific, like product category. Then find the second slicer and give it the exact same name. It's a little like giving two keys the same label so you always know which door they open. Power BI will recognize that these two slicers should behave as one. And that's it. Now to make sure it's working, try testing it out. Select something in one slicer, say clothing. You should see the other slicer instantly update to reflect that same choice. It feels almost magical when you see both filters move together, guaranteeing a consistent experience for anyone using your dashboard. This is especially great if your viewers like to filter data from different spots on the page. Now, no matter which slicer they use, they're always in sync. If syncing doesn't work right away, pause and double-check the slicer names. They have to match exactly, even down to the spaces and capitalization for Power BI to link them. Don't worry if it takes a minute. Sometimes a quick double-check solves everything. And there you have it. That's how you sync two slicers on the same page in Power BI. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.